Did you know that Levi's Stadium, the gleaming home of the San Francisco 49ers, sits about 40 miles south of downtown San Francisco, yet you can reach it stress-free in under 2 hours using public transit, turning what seems like a daunting trek into a scenic, affordable adventure? Levi's Stadium rises like a modern colossus in Santa Clara, right in the heart of Silicon Valley, where tech innovation meets world-class entertainment. The unique atmosphere pulses with electric anticipation, whether it's the roar of a 49ers touchdown or the thunder of a sold-out concert, surrounded by sleek architecture, vast open plazas, and that unmistakable California sunshine reflecting off the massive video boards. It's a place where history and future collide, drawing fans from near and far for unforgettable moments under wide-open skies. But here's the common snag many travelers hit: the misconception that getting there means battling endless traffic on Highway 101 or shelling out a fortune for parking in rideshares that crawl in gridlock, especially on event days when thousands converge. The distance feels intimidating, and misconceptions about unreliable public options or long transfers keep people from choosing the smartest path, leading to frustration, missed kickoffs, or exhausted arrivals. The real challenge? Bay Area traffic can turn a 45-minute drive into hours, while public transit, though requiring a simple transfer, offers reliability, cost savings, and a chance to soak in the region's vibe without the wheel-gripping stress. The easiest and most enjoyable route starts with Caltrain, that iconic double-decker commuter line departing from the bustling San Francisco station at 4th and King Streets. Hop aboard a southbound train, grab a combo ticket for Caltrain plus VTA Light Rail at the kiosk, and settle in for a relaxing ride along the peninsula. Feel the gentle rock of the train as it glides past historic towns like Palo Alto and Menlo Park, where glimpses of Stanford's campus flash by and the salty bay breeze sneaks through open windows. The journey takes about an hour to Mountain View Station, where you transfer seamlessly to the VTA Orange Line. Light rail platforms are right there, no long walks needed. Board the southbound train, and in roughly 30 minutes, it delivers you straight to Great America Station, just a short stroll across Tasman Drive to the stadium's north entrance. The total trip clocks in around 1 hour 40 minutes to 2 hours, depending on schedules, and costs around $11 to $13 round trip, far cheaper than gas, parking, or surge-priced Ubers. For those preferring speed or different starting points, BART offers another solid path. From downtown SF stations like Embarcadero or Powell, ride the Green Line south to Milpitas, about an hour, then switch to the VTA Orange Line for the quick ride to Great America. This route loops a bit via the East Bay, but runs frequently and late, ideal for evening concerts. Ride shares like Uber or Lyft work too, especially for groups. Expect 45 minutes to an hour without heavy traffic, though event days spike prices and times. Book early or share rides. Driving? Take US 101 south to the Great America Parkway exit, but plan for backups. Parking at the stadium runs steep, so arrive early. Practical tips abound. Download the Caltrain and VTA apps for real-time tracking, pack light since stadium bag policies are strict, and bring water. Transit stations can get warm. On event days, extra trains often run, turning the journey into a pre-game party with fellow fans, chatting and cheering. Santa Clara's history adds depth to the experience. Once part of vast ranchos in the Spanish and Mexican eras, the area boomed with the gold rush and later railroads, evolving into Silicon Valley's tech cradle. Levi's Stadium itself, opened in 2014 after a $1 billion build, replaced the old Candlestick Park to bring the 49ers closer to their fan base, hosting Super Bowl 50 in 2016 and set for Super Bowl LX in 2026, plus World Cup matches. Sensory details immerse you: the metallic tang of fresh-cut grass on the field, the sizzle of food trucks outside, the distant hum of planes overhead from nearby San Jose Airport. Local customs shine near the stadium. Tailgating is huge, with grills firing up tri-tip and burgers, while nearby spots like Clara's Junction serve craft beers and American classics in a lively patio vibe. Grab Mexican fusion at Puesto Santa Clara for bold tacos, or Indian at nearby Gems for aromatic curries, perfect pre-event fuel. Wander the nearby Great America Theme Park trails or the San Tomas Aquino Creek for a peaceful contrast to the stadium's buzz. The golden moment that seals this journey? Picture stepping off the VTA light rail at Great America Station on a crisp evening, the stadium lights blazing ahead like a beacon. Crowds stream in with you, jerseys everywhere, the air thick with excitement and the faint scent of barbecue from nearby lots. As you walk that short path, chatting with strangers turned instant friends about the upcoming game or concert, the transfer hassle fades, replaced by pure anticipation. That seamless arrival, free from parking nightmares, lets you focus on the magic inside, whether it's a 49ers victory roar or a superstar's encore. In the end, mastering the trip to Levi's Stadium from San Francisco turns potential stress into part of the adventure, teaching you the Bay Area's efficient transit magic while deepening your appreciation for its blend of history, tech, and passion. You'll leave feeling empowered, connected, and ready for more Bay explorations. What's your favorite way to reach Levi's Stadium? Caltrain adventure or rideshare ease? Share your tips in the comments.